Okay, we're at the flying site. Well, I'm at the flying site. It's absolutely beautiful. It's about 3-mile-an-hour wind. It's sunny. It's going to get really hot today, about 29. So I'm making the most of it before then. Got to test fly this Ansaldo S.V.A-5, which you see on the table here. And I've been messing around loads with this to get it to fly. Like the wheels, big problem with the wheels. One collapsed on takeoff. Got these nice 3D printed ones now, they're pretty solid. So use my old Tyrannus to fly with, and here's the battery pack. It's a 3S3P Sanyo pack, 6700 milliamp. That's perfect for this. And yeah, here's the site today. Some rough areas got to try and avoid when I'm flying on the ground, taking off and landing stuff. I think I'll use a spot over here. But yeah, it's a slight crosswind, but that'll be okay. Our old site over there, something going on. The other site of the flat, they've got loads of vehicles on there, trucks, diggers. No idea what's going on. So we're here today. Anyway, get set up and fly. Up to the motor decided to stop. Up there's a big landing coming up.